ActiveCampaign is launching a suite of AI features designed to help marketers maximize their performance, and we'll be here to walk you through each of those features. Today, let's dive into the AI Brand Kit. You can say goodbye to hours spent on design and content creation, as you can now seamlessly generate on-brand campaigns and content with our AI Brand Kit. This new feature will allow you to import colors, fonts, images, and logos directly from your website to generate email templates and content that are perfectly on brand. By leveraging the AI Brand Kit, you can ensure that every marketing campaign maintains a unified look and feel, while saving time generating branded emails and content without intensive design skills. And you can easily incorporate new brand updates for timely sends, whether it's a seasonal campaign or launching a new product. To configure your AI Brand Kit, head to Campaigns from your main dashboard, and then Campaign Templates in your sub-navigation. Copy and paste your business's website into the Brand Kit field and click Import My Brand Kit. You can add or adjust your brand assets like logos, colors, fonts, and social media links. You can also review and edit your brand kit details like mission statement or brand name. Once finished, press Save Brand Kit. Then select Use AI Templates to view your templates that are customized and consistent with your brand. If you ever need to make any changes, you can click on Edit Your Brand Kit, and any edits made will update in your brand assets in real time. But that's not all. The Brand Kit also applies when you automate your campaign follow-ups using AI. After you send a campaign, simply input a prompt to help you kick off an automation and let AI create your follow-up emails complete with your campaign branding. This saves time, boosts engagement, and maximizes your campaign impact with streamlined personalized follow-up. With ActiveCampaign's intelligent marketing automation, you can experience AI that assists and enhances your marketing efforts, amplifying your productivity and delivering results. You can count on your AI Brand Kit for hassle-free design, perfectly tailored to your brand, so you can free up time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Happy building!
Subscribe to our channel below for more content like this. And to try ActiveCampaign free for 14 days, visit ActiveCampaign.com.